This is a side pose image, and in this tutorial, I show you how to convert it into a front-facing portrait using CorelDRAW 2026. First, click on AI Generate. Then select the Remix Image option, and make sure the Remix Image button is turned on. Now, choose your image. Click here on Add from Document. Once the image is uploaded, write your prompt here. If you already have one, paste it here. You can find this prompt in the video description. Using this prompt, you can convert any image into a face-to-face pose. Next, select your preferred AI model. Then click on the Generate button. Within a few moments, your image will be converted into a realistic front-facing pose. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Bell.